Welcome to the daily message on this Thanksgiving Day. Throughout this week, as you know, I've been offering Thanksgiving prayers from a number of different faith traditions. Today's Thanksgiving prayer comes from a book entitled Celebrating Faith, Year-Round Activities for Catholic Families by Mary Cronk Farrell. It's called a Thanksgiving Table Prayer. O gracious God, we give you thanks for your overflowing generosity to us. Thank you for the blessings of the food we eat, and especially for this feast today. Thank you for our home and family and friends, especially for the presence of those gathered here. Thank you for health, our work, and our play. Please send help to those who are hungry, alone, sick, and suffering war and violence. Open our hearts to your love. We ask your blessing through Christ your Son. Amen. Thank you for watching again today, and may you have a blessed Thanksgiving Day.